Hello everybody, I'm not at home right now. I'm at summer place, very beautiful summer place here. And we are trying to test these paint your own mugs, champagne paint your own mugs from I bought them from dollar store. And you're supposed to like put them in, paint them and then put them in the oven for 25 minutes. So these are the colors, and the brush it's called like, it's not called a pencil, it's called like a brush. Okay, so it's quite good. So there should have been black, like on the cover it looks like there's black in it, so look, so that was good, but okay. Okay, then I'm waiting like there should have been like a black with it, so but it's kind of fun to paint anyway. So okay, now I have been painting, and it's not my best work, but still it's kind of cute and it was fun. So then I was supposed to put it in the oven for like 25 minutes on 100 degrees Celsius. So here's the mug in the oven. Put on 100. It's a very old oven. I'm like in the middle of the forest here, so it's outside. We'll be swimming all day here. It's from my other window. Okay, so now I've had this mug in the oven and I've let it like dry and be cool, and I had it even in the fridge for a while. And it's a bit sticky, but I don't know, it doesn't lose any color. And we have to leave the cottage for now, so I will leave it here next time. But I think it was very much fun to make this mug, and it was fun. It was fun to paint it, and it's kind of cute. It's not really beautiful, but it's a cute, colorful mug. So I'm quite happy with it. It's kind of cute. So it was a fun Wi-Fi free thing to make on a day off. Okay, until next time. Bye bye.